do you want me to do about it? Do you want to feed them, Phoebe?
Excuse you. Is it funny, is it? Oh no, another one. Oh dear. Stop the fighting. Yeah, you too.
Oh my.
Oh no, Phoebe, help me.
You might want to shake him off. He's going in the bag.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Help me, please.
No.
Please. Right, I'll put some on the floor for you. Okay? Oh dear. Oh no, that little that just made more fun. Help me. I can't even move. They're all over my feet. Oh dear, they're literally pecking at my feet. Excuse me.
We knew this was going to happen.
I didn't think it was
Just chuck some on the floor.
I did. And they still stayed.
No, it's because they know it's where it's coming from. You needed to tell them off. No, I can't. No. Look at them. Oh my lord. What did you do?
I did nothing. I think one of the ducks said, "Come here, Fee. Do you want to feed the duck?" Give mine then.
There's lots of ducks around you, behind you. Yeah, chuck some seed down. Yeah, put it down then.
You're so mean, you know that. You're just watching me suffer.
Right, we'll leave Mummy over there with them. She's with her new family. At least all the seagulls over there ain't coming over. Right. Time to send you with your brothers and sisters. Because it's a bit colder now, so they don't come out as much.
That's what I always think when they that is when they're laughing. I think it's probably...
Oh, I see a squirrel already.
Oh, there's one squirrel, Bubba.
Oh, there's a whole pack of them back there, and that's really
Is
nice.
there?
Oh,
Oh, yeah, I should probably walk out warning about them because they can be a bit nippy.
it's alright.
It's alright, we've fed them many times now.
Yeah, one of them very nearly bit me very thick once.
Oh.
Do you want to feed
Oh
the
no.
Little bit risky. Excellent. Come down again and protect it.
Did the ducks
Hi.
eat us last time?
Yeah. Oh. What's that noise? Oh, seagull. Yeah. This squirrel was in the tree.
Squirrel got me.
Oh no. Fresh blood.
Oh look, he's burying it in the...
Oh. He's hiding his nut. Oh, you want some more? You want some more? Here you go. Here you go. There we go. At the tree to eat his nut.
Very gentle squirrel. I just had them most gentle squirrel. He came up, gently put his paws on me, went and ran away with it.
Yeah.
He's so gentle and sweet.
And
He lives
now-
down there, look.
And now we know where their stash is, right? We can raid it. Take all the nuts.
He's coming, look.
Thank you. Oh, he's got one for now. Yeah.
You put it on the floor, he's going to come get it.
Oh, wow.
Good girl.
You went and got one just for you. You got 2 nuts. Must be a boy squirrel if he's got 2 nuts. Phoebe, I see our big friend in the water.
Oh, look at him. Look at him wobbling his head at me.
Yeah. That's how they swim, you see. Their head is so big that they use it to move forward. Do you see another squirrel over there? See a squirrel over there? There he is, he's coming. Phoebe, squirrel. Yeah.
Oh, look at the squirrel feet. Shall I open up a couple more nuts for the ducks?
Wow, he's coming to say hello.
Hi, you're gorgeous. Look at you.
Do you remember us? Do you remember us? Yeah, he is. Remember we fed him before.
Oh, you're very gentle.
Yeah. He's so happy. He's like a doggy.
Oh, look, there's a squirrel coming for you.
Oh, I think he likes us. I think he recognises us that time.
I think he just likes to give him food.
No, because when he walked up, he was waggling his tail like he was a dog. Yeah. Yeah. You excited? Can you chop down some nuts for the squirrels?
No.
There we go. Look, they're waiting for you. Yeah. Ah, he liked that. Squirrels.
Oh, she's chasing him and they ran away.
Here, you got to chuck him on the floor. There you go, see? Oh, and the massive bird is trying to have some. Oh, that's a whole one. Sorry, mate. Can't eat that one because it's so big. Here you go, mate. Oh, there you go. There you go. Another one. Yeah, if you have kids, I definitely recommend coming here if you just want to have a nice day. So they're generally quite friendly, these animals. And okay, yeah, they're a bit ravenous. Like they're like really want food. But as long as you feed them healthy stuff, like we give them the squirrels just normal regular peanuts and bird seed. That one's still trying to eat that whole nut. Oh no, poor guy. In theory, eat the shells. Ooh. You know, it's got fibre, I guess. You want this one? Oh, you bit my hand! You got my hand. There we go. Yeah, I know, it's only slow eating, isn't it? Slow feeding. Oh, don't bite each other. Otherwise I won't give any. Yeah. A lot of the squirrels as well are obviously in hiding. I say in hiding, but I mean like... But like they're just everywhere else trying to look for food. That's just how it is, isn't it? Oh, hi.
on the floor, mate. That's my finger. That's still my finger. He's
There
trying
you
to eat you, Lou. The pigeons will eat the monkey nuts, but only if you crush them first.
There we go. Hi. Oh, there's another one. Hi. All right. Yeah. Is there anything you want to say for the camera, sir? Anything you want to say to the camera?
Excuse me? Do you have something to say to me? Huh? Say, excuse me, can I
pet
your
you?
arm, please?
Can I
Thank you.
Can I pet?
Oh, there's another fish behind you. I'm going to
Can I pet you? If you're not gonna let me pet,
They aren't a big fan of letting you pet them.
I'll pet this bird then. Here you go, pet, pet, pet. No, she doesn't like it either. I get it. You want my nuts, all right? You're probably the only bird in this whole world that wants my nuts right now. I offer my wife my nuts, and she's like, "No, I don't like nuts." And I'm like, "Why? They're not even salted." I know. At least here, everyone wants my nuts. Oh. Okay, pigeons, I think I've given you enough. I think I should give some more to the bird, to the other birds. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you're on my hand. That's it. Oh. I don't have it anymore. You dropped it on the floor. You dropped it. You dropped it. You dropped it on the floor. What do you want me to say? I can't get it with you on my hand, can I? Oh, they all saw a doggy. A wild doggy. Hey, mate, please. Why don't you go back to your mama, yeah? I want to feed the squirrel, not chase it off. Yeah. Here you go. Here you go. Yeah. Oh, another one. There we go. Good boy. Sorry about the dog.